Hi everyone, it's Jeff. I'm back with another video. There's been a lot of people talking in the group about uh, the crop burning, and I wanted to show you guys this tool I'm using with SatAQ. It's a blog that belongs to my friend Pavan, and he's put together some tools here that makes it easy for us to see. You can see here on September 23rd, up by Amritsar, there's just a few fires, and the burning season has begun for crop stubble in India about that time. We fast forward through October 8th, first week of October. Now, last year at this time we had a lot of fires, and then you see it starts to pick up on October 10th. And then fast forward October 13th, and realize we're kind of zoomed out here. There's thousands and hundreds of fires now, by this time thousands, and you can see the smoke as a result, stretching all the way from Pakistan, but mostly concentrated in Punjab and India. And now you see the smoke was hugging against the Himalayas there, just depending on the weather. We'll zoom out here a little bit, and you can see how the winds, the prevailing winds and weather has a lot to do with this. It's still October 21st. I'll zoom back in here a little bit. And a little bit more, too much. And you can see New Delhi there at the bottom right. Now let me go forward a bit to October 25th. And you can see that we still have quite a few fires just a few days before Diwali. Now October 25th, when we zoom out, you may recall I'd made some videos before. There was a big concentration of the smoke just hugging the Himalayas, and then on the 26th it just rolled right into Delhi. You can see the fires are now probably around 5,000 to 7,000 a day. I'll have to go back and look at the information. Pavan, I want to thank you again for tweeting this tool to me. When I go to the NASA site, I oftentimes struggle. There's so many layers, but Pavan's tool makes it easy here. And there you could see just before Diwali, the smoke was just going dead center through the city. And then Diwali night, this is the day after Diwali. This is only daytime views that we're getting here, really. Day after Diwali, look at this huge concentration around the Delhi capital area. On the 30th, the 31st, day after Diwali, the fires start again. A huge concentration. If we zoom in, you can even pinpoint where they are exactly. And you see these little rings of smoke emanating from Delhi. That's a lot of concentrated smoke from the fireworks. Now the smoke moved away from us on the 1st. On the 2nd, it's back again. And on the 2nd, with our terrestrial monitors, with the company I'm with, we saw that around 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the 2nd, it just really rolled in there, thousands of micrograms per cubic meter. Now you can see most of it is pushed away from the city on the 3rd, but still enveloping the city, especially the south and the west of the Delhi NCR area. And I would not want to be there in that other part of, Rajasthan and Punjab. Now you see on the 4th, it's back in the city with a vengeance. The smoke and from the crop fires, we're at the mercy of the winds and the ebb and flow from day to day. I realize this video is probably going to be about 4 or 5 minutes, but I think it's important. A lot of people have been trying to, guessing about what's going on, and it's, if we had helicopters or news services with helicopters and airplanes, you wouldn't have to guess what's happening. Here on the 5th, yesterday, you see it's just an absolutely airpocalypse, as they say, all around northern India. And it's just flows from Punjab and across, and the cooler temperatures and night is holding it to the Earth's surface. Scrolling out here a little bit, just wanted you to see how some of the rest of India looks. You can see the smoke is really concentrating and cutting across Delhi there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.